Hello everyone, welcome to Juan's Kitchen. It is another borscht soup day. Yesterday I made Chinese borscht and we don't put the beets in the soup to make the soup red. Instead of beets, we use fresh tomato and tomato paste. And in Korean, they don't put beets in their borscht either. I guess it's a common thing. Most Asians, they don't like to put the beets in their borscht. Instead of beets, what they use to make the soup look red, they actually use those chili powder and spicy chili paste to make the soup look red. All those ingredients can make the soup red, but they also can make the soup spicy. So we're gonna call it spicy Korean beef borscht. For the ingredients, I have napa cabbage. Napa cabbage is a tender cabbage, which is not like the green cabbage we usually put in the borscht. Napa cabbage is like a leafy lettuce. They're more sweet and soft. Most Asians, they prefer napa cabbage because the regular green cabbage can taste rubbery. And I also got those little red radish. I was gonna go buy daikon radish, which is a bigger white radish, but they are winter radish. You can't get it right now. I can't get any from the store near from me. If you can get them from your local store, go choose the daikon radish. They're definitely sweeter and juicier, but it's winter radish. Bean sprouts, you can get it from most of the Asian store. Shredded beef, it takes around 1.5 hours to make it. I used half onion, sliced ginger, and some water. Boil the beef first. Around 10 minutes. Once the water starts to boiling, you can take those blood foam from the top off and turn the heat to the low heat. Cook 1.5 hours. The beef will be ready. Then take it out, let it cool, and shred the beef. And the green onion, I cut the top, the green part, save for later. I can put on top of the soup. And the bottom white part, we can saute it with the other vegetables. The minced garlic, dried chili pepper. You can use the fresh chili too. And the other half onion. Let's get it started. When I'm waiting for the pan to warm up, I'm gonna make the sauce first. I used 2 tablespoons Korean spicy chili powder, 1 tablespoon Korean spicy chili paste, a tablespoon sesame oil, a tablespoon soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix them together. Okay, the pan feels hot. I'm gonna put some oil, fresh garlic, add the onion, green onion root, stir fry it. For around a minute, we're gonna add the radish. Cook about a minute, then we can add those spicy chili. I have a bad feeling the soup is gonna be really spicy today. I think most of Korean, they can eat spicy food though. Spicy chili paste, spicy kimchi, wow, look at this sauce. Definitely changed the whole color. Add the beef. Fry them together around a minute, then we can add our beef stock or beef water or beef soup. Is this water? I boiled the beef this morning. Look like this. Just add those water in. You can see the soup color immediately turned red already. The napa cabbage. They're so easy to cook. The same like the bean sprouts. Won't take long to cook them. That's why I don't need to saute them. We just add the last. Bean sprouts. Red chili pepper. Gently press those vegetables in. Alright, that's it. Then we can cover the lid, let it cook around 20 minutes. Well, it will take 10 minutes to start to boiling. After boiling, turn the heat to low heat and boil another 10 minutes and soup will be ready. Oh my god, guys, my kitchen smells so good right now, especially the sesame oil smell. I'm so obsessed with it. And the soup's ready. Let's check it out. Oh wow. Look at this, guys. Look at this color. I can't wait to try. Oh, you're gonna put some green onions in. If you noticed, when I make this soup, I didn't add any extra spice and seasoning inside because the sauce we just made got plenty spice and seasoning, plus all those vegetables, and it's got good flavors in the soup already, so we actually don't need to add anything. But if you eat more salty side, you always can add some more salt in the soup if you need to. Okay, let's taste the soup. Let me try the soup first. It's hot. I hope it's not gonna burn my mouth. Oh my god, it is spicy. I need to drink some water. Whew, it is spicy, it's hot. You definitely can taste the soup is spicy and sweet too. So spicy, sweet, but not too heavy though, because we didn't put any cream, butter. Even the beef is really lean beef in there. We didn't add flour. So it's literally just the vegetables and the beef soup. Let me taste the vegetables. I got my chopsticks. Even the vegetables, so flavorful. Soaked all those sauce we made earlier. It's absolutely delicious. And Korean, they like to eat those soup with the rice too. And you notice we Asians like rice. We don't put any cream, sour cream, heavy cream in the borscht soup. Just as it is, beef and vegetables. It's good. Enjoy! Still spicy, but it's tasty. Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel and you will see what I'm making tomorrow. See you in next video. Bye!